What are we going to do while we wait for Stumpy to finish painting? Let's go play some more games. Oh, I want to play a game with the ants. Okay, Ho-Ho, let's find the ants. Play with us when we come back on Nick Jr. Come to Little Kingdom and
Wow, what's that?
pizza.
Pizza? Wow, thank you. How much is the pizza?
99.
29? Ngam, 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 ngam. Delicious. Here's my bayad, oh. Thank you.
Right now on Nick Jr. There's the ant game. Let's go One more light.
What's that?
Bayad mo.
Sukli, not bayad.
Play game. Here are 3 places in Ant City. Each rope goes to one place. I'll tell you the place, and you find the rope that goes there. Who wants to play? What's your line? Oh, you're the youngest, so you should go first. Shishik, Highland.
Finish ko na kainin yung pizza, oh.
Play pool. Pull the rope that goes to the slide. Ayun, tapos.
Tapos na, kinain ko na yan, eh.
Tapos. Daging may sauce tayo.
May sauce?
May sauce tayo.
Oh, sige.
Lagay ko dito.
Lagay, ikaw na, lagyan mo na ako ng sauce. Wow, special naman ang pizza. May sauce pa. Nyam, 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 nyam.
Diba?
Ayoko na. Busog na ako, busog na.
Pero itong sauce eh.
Oh, sige, ito. Nyam, 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 nyam.
Ay, iba. Iba daw eh.
Iba daw. O, sige. Oh, nyam, 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 nyam.
Iba tapos daw eh.
Eh, tapos na kumain eh.
Iba tapos daw eh.
Tapos na daw. O, tama. Nyam, 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 nyam. Nyam, 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 nyam.
Iba tapos daw eh.
busog na kaya ako sa pizza. Balik ko. Iba naman chicken. Gusto ko ng chicken.
Hawakan? Let's play together. You and me. Yay! Let's have it go.
Pagbilang nga, kiss. Pagbilang nga ng kiss.
Eh, wala eh.
Wala kang kiss.
Wala.
Ayan o, disney mo. Halika. O, yan.
Hindi,
Meron.
dito natatangkay.
Ano? Hindi mo tatangkay. Eh, kikis lang naman eh. Pagbilang. Kikis lang naman eh. Pagbilang. Ay, magbili ng kiss mo. Bata to.
Ito oh.
What's that? Ha? Fish?
Ha?
Yes. Gusto ko binibake ha. Nilalagay sa oven ha. Yan. Gusto ko quarter. Chicken leg. Sabi ko, ino-oven, isa-fry. O, sige, fry mo na lang. Pwede na i-fry mo. Fry mo na lang, sige. Doon, sa kalan. Hindi ipa-fry. Turn on mo yung stove mo. Bilis, turn on your stove.
Eh, ano yun eh? Sauce?
Sauce, hindi yung stove. Ayun no, yung kalan. Turn on mo yun, tapos i-fry mo na lang. Iluto mo dun sa kalan. Walang kawali. Direkta. Dapat mayroong kawali. Tingin? Let me see. Ano kaya yun? Naka-direct hit. Gara. Ano? Wala man lang sa plate? Ang gara naman ang order ko. Hinahawakan lang. sauce. Iisa lang yung sauce na sauce ng pizza tsaka sauce ng chicken. Isa lang. Ang gara. Wala man lang side dish. Ganun lang.
Look at peanut butter.
Ha?
Peanut butter.
Chicken na may peanut butter? Ano ba naman yan? May sauce na may peanut butter pa. Peanut butter.
Nah.
Wow! Chicken leg! Nyam, 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 nyam. Nyam, 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 nyam. Ang sarap naman ng chicken na may peanut butter. Ang galing, hinagis lang. Ay, naku, hinagis din yung ano.